could stick around and get along with you. Hello, it doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, you're alright, but I'm here, darling, to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, 'cause that's all you'll get from me. Hey, yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know I just came to say hello. It's alright, I'm getting busy, just enjoy the party. It's okay with me if you don't have that much to say. Hey,